I'm leaving Bryce City right now. I'm going to the Cannondale, U.S.A. Escalante Visitor Center to get a backcountry permit to camp in Escalante tonight. I hear it's a beautiful ride. It's all downhill. I'm leaving Bryce on Highway 12, and look how amazing this is. And it's all downhill. I haven't pedaled for miles. I stopped at the visitor center and talked to them about camping permits. I'm leaving Cannondale right now. They hooked me up with a map, and I told them about my route. He said stock up on food definitely in Escalante because that's their last chance. I'm pushing my bike up this. It's pretty steep. It's 8:30 at night. I'm still climbing this hill. Look how steep that is. I'm pushing the bike up. I've been pushing up this hill for about 3 hours. Started at 10:30 this morning. I'm gonna have to find a place to camp soon. I got to the summit last night and checked the map, and Escalante was only 20 miles and it was all downhill, so I came to Escalante and checked. So I came to Escalante and checked into the Escalante Outfitters. $8 a night to camp. They have a shower, electricity. That's quite the deal. I'm walking over to the post office. I sent myself a package of a bunch of food and supplies and stuff because after this town, there's Boulder. It's a really small town. One little grocery store. And then I'm going to be doing the Burr Trail, which is about 100 miles of dirt road. No cell service. It's going to be great. I'm going back to the campground right now. I'm going to do laundry. I'm going to stay here today. I'm not going to ride anywhere. I'm going to do some grocery shopping and get ready for the big trip. I really set myself too much food. I'm gonna have to carry all this stuff.